kasali si Julie Ann?
Dito? Kung kasali po ang galing nga kasi si Rojan kasali season 1. Kung sa season 2 kasali si Julie, baka wala po ako dito.
Kasi magiging bias. Ikaw ang partner.
Kasi sila lang po yung lahat magaling pero lahat ng maganda siguro siya. Pero yun nga, ang galing lang din ni Lord kasi parang destiny rin. Manalo yung kapatid ko. Nakaka-proud and thankful siya doon. Tapos ngayon, part po ako ng season 2. Lahat po na nangyayaring ganitong magandang bagay, hindi ko tinitake for granted. And tapos, siyempre, ngayon lang din kami nagkasama ni AR sa isang show eh. Parang
Actually, before po kasi most of the time kami ni Raver,
Yes.
magkasama po sa AOS. Pero I mean, eto, different yung roles namin. Because siya magja-judge, ako po mag-host.
parang mas madalas na for sure may mga sayo-sayo tayo.
Parang sa opening po nito.
Imagine ko na nga yung pipigilan ko na lang kasi makulit kasi ako pag ganyan si Alden. So, yun, nakakatuwa. Tapos,
Pero gagalingan ka kay Alden.
Oo naman!
Talaga.
Oo naman. Lagi ako nag-guest sa mga concerts dito.
So anong strength ni Alden as a dancer?
May tanong dito doon.
Anong strength ni
Si
Alden bilang
Alden.
dancer sa dance?
Alam mo, ito to. Ito yung totoong strength ni Alden. Pagka na-challenge siya, doon lumalabas yung galing niya. Kasi may one time na sabi ko, wala naman to.
Ano
Sabi
to?
ko,
Cypher ba to?
Oo.
Cypher
Ano kami sinasamahan, ganyan eh. Tapos lolo-lolo lang ako. Tapos nandun siya. Nandun siya simula nung ginawa yung sayo hanggang sa matapos. Tapos sinayaw namin. Tapos hataw na hataw siya. Palong-palo talaga na hataw. Tapos pagkatas ng prod, sabi ko sa'yo, ayaw akong mag-cyber. Sabi ko sa kanya, bro, ikaw na talaga. So yung kailangan na parang na-challenge din niya yung sarili niya. Kasi
pressure po kasi yung masakit din po magsalita eh.
lahat kasi ginagawa nito eh. Lahat naman ginagawa niya. Kumakanta siya, sumasayaw siya, galing niya umarte. So, wala. Kaya siya, Alden Richards.
Diyos Marioso.
Mabait ba?
Yun.
Masyado na.
Tribute.
Parang tribute na po.
Pizza
eh.
Birthday mo pa rin naman.
Wala pala
Birthday month. Hindi, pero being with Raver, actually silang dalawang magkapatid, with Rojan din as well. Sila kasi yung tipo ng mga kaibigan ko na kahit hindi ko sila nakakasama or nakakausap ng madalas, pag nagkikita kami parang walang nagbago. And parang ngayon ko lang din sasabihin to kay Raver na parang because of yung feeling na pinaparamdam niyo sa akin, I get to be comfortable around with the things that we're doing. So, laking bagay lang din po. Super blessed din lang po talaga ako na nabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon to work with people na magaan ang energy and positive vibes. We bring out the best in each other. And I think napaka-essential po nun ngayon sa panahon natin. Siyempre na kailangan yung mga nakakatrabaho mo at the same time. Hindi, for lack of a better term, nakaka-nega minsan. Kasi alam naman po natin, di ba? Hindi naman lahat ng tao pare-pareho ng work ethics, but I'm just so blessed that the people that I get to work with, especially right now with this show, mabubuti pong tao inside and out.
Pero Alden, sabi ni Raver kanina, ang pagsasayaw parang lengguwahe, emotions. Ikaw, anong language and emotions mo ngayon as in now?
Gratefulness, joy, and excitement on what's ahead. I think sa buhay po natin, with everything that we're doing in our daily lives, paggising pa lang natin sa umaga, dapat pinagpapasalamat na po natin yun kay Lord. Ginising tayo for a purpose. And I think our objectives and goals depends on how we manifest our plans and goals. So, yun lang po, dun lang ako lagi tumitingin every time. Although sometimes may hardships na dadating, part naman yun eh, hindi ka naman bibigyan ng hindi mo kaya. But at the end of the day, it's a matter of paano mo siya hinahandle personally and of course with a very rigid support group around you and yung mga taong nakakausap mo at the same time. So, yun, para tuloy-tuloy at prosperous ang 2026, laban na ng laban.
Pero Alden, parang di ba 2025 napakaganda para sa'yo. Tapos parang lahat na subukan mo na acting, dancing,
Producing,
hosting,
directing. Wala ka nang...
May kulang pa ba?
Hindi, wala ka nang hindi kayang gawin. Lahat kaya mo.
Siguro po, kung mabigyan ng chance, ang hindi ko pa po kasi talaga nagagawa, na parang gusto ko rin mag-try, pagta-teatro.
Ah,
Ang dami po tayong mga very talented actors na nagta-transition every now and then sa TV na nakakausap ko about it. Iba rin ang discipline, iba ang preparations, iba ang kabuuan po ng pagkikwento ng mga storya pagdating sa teatro. So kung may chance po, kaya pa. Why not? Why not theater naman?
si Rick.
Alden,
Yes, sir. Victor.
as celebrities, you don't only entertain, you inspire people, no? And one of your most watched interviews was that one where you admitted that you hit rock bottom at some stage in your life, no? So, how did you slowly bounce back, no, from that state? And what is your message to people who are just watching you, who are also experiencing the same situation in life?
I think I treat that moment in my life po as a blessing. Because hindi naman po pwede lagi nasa ano lang tayo, colorful side ng buhay. I never thought that I would experience that, I would go through that, knowing that we sometimes in life, minsan madideceive tayo that we have everything under control and then all of a sudden everything crumbles. And that's where we're caught off guard. So, the number one thing I've learned from that experience po is really at the end of the day, you only have yourself and you only have your faith in the Lord. Yun lang po ang nagpa-bounce back sa akin. When everything else around me didn't make sense, I lost motivation, I lost my sense of purpose in the things that I do. Siyempre at some point kasi kala mo, parang sometimes masyado tayong nagtatabi ng mga maliliit na bagay that we take ourselves for granted every now and then. That small moments, nagko-compound kasi siya without us knowing. Nakatabi mo lang siya, nasa subconscious mo lang siya, di mo siya pinapansin. But eventually, pag nakuha ka na niya, pag nahabol ka na niya, and then it's somehow not easy to control. So, dasal lang po ako ng dasal during that time. I'm so blessed that I have very reliable support group. And dun po sa mga nakakanood ngayon, if ever na you're also experiencing through that, daanan nyo lang. Huwag nyo madalian yung recovery. I think that's, kasi minsan naka-encounter din po ako before ng mga advices na parang sa isip mo lang yan, wala lang yan. It's not like that. Napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip dahil minsan nabibigyan tayo ng mga misleading thoughts that ends up to bad decisions and bad choices. So daanan nyo lang siya, ramdamin nyo siya, hindi yan bibigay kung hindi nyo kaya, and hindi matatapos din yan. There's always an end season. Yung mga diba sa basketball, may end season, sa cycling may end season. So it's just a part of your journey na you don't have to succumb yourself into. Kasi at the end of the day, parang pagdating naman ng judgment day, all of these things are given to you, and tatanungin ka lang naman ni Lord is paano mo hinandle yung mga binigay ko sa yung problema. And then ako nga po, when that time comes, if I have one question that I can ask the Lord, tatanong ko lang sa Kanya, Lord, how did I do with all of them? So, prayers po, number one weapon against it. And go through it slowly, at your own pace. Huwag mo madaliin. Kasi all the more, that the last thing that you want to feel when you're in that kind of situation in your life is pressure. Pressure is not a good friend when you're in that kind of state. So, ibayin nyo lang din yung perspective. Look at the bright side of things. And know that one way or another, you will recover to it and you will learn something.
One more question. What is your message to your younger self, the Alden 15 years ago?
Wow. Yun po, parang if ever I get a chance to talk to him right now, i-heads up ko na siya na parang it's not gonna be an easy ride. It's not gonna be always, the treasure at the end of the rainbow. You have to work hard, you have to be persistent, you have to keep that passion burning within you. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman ni Alden 15 years ago, wag mong walain yun. Because everything will boil down to purpose. And kung madapa man siya at some points in his life, lagi naman pwedeng mag-bounce back. Diba? Tayo ka, parang there's a saying na iwan ko sa kanya yung saying na we fail, we stumble, and we injure ourselves. But at the end of that, we rise, we conquer, and we overcome, and we heal at the same time. So, wag lang siyang susuko. And at the end of the day, all of the hardships and all of the things that he wanted for his life will come into fruition.
Thank you.
Pero
Continue
Alden,
to
15
inspire.
years from now,
Yes po.
Alden naman, 15 years from now.
From now, Tito.
Good job naman. Ang pwede mong sabihin sa Alden ngayon.
Aba, yung today, as in ngayon,
Yes.
Tito. Thank you.
Ah.
Dahil never siyang napagod lumaban para sa mga pangarap niya at para sa mga taong mahal niya, and of course para sa purpose niya sa buhay. Thank you dahil hindi niya pinabayaan yung mga bagay na dumating sa kanya and the blessings that came his way, and yung purpose niya is one of the things that will keep the passion burning for him.
Okay. Last na lang, can we expect a dance partner naman for Alden ngayong 2026?
Dance partner po for the show?
No.
As in dance partner na
Yeah.
sa buhay, Tito?
Yes.
Diba, kung bigay na po, why not?
Okay.
Waiting lang naman po tayo. And kung ako, yun nga, kagaya po nung with one of my interviews sa isang magazine, if there's one thing I've learned in my experiences about love sa stay ko dito sa industry, love will come to you. Di ba minsan kasi pag hinahanap mo, pag you feel like you're pressured because of your age, minsan dun pa nadadapa, natitisod minsan. So I think at the end of the day, mahanap namin yung taong destined sa akin and destined ako para sa kanya, yung paths namin soon. And I'll wait for that.
Tapos akala ko, kay Ray.
Okay na. Ikaw.
Raybird, last question lang.
last.
Reaction mo lang na sabi ni Rochun, kahit nag-champion siya ng dalawang titles, mas magaling ka ba?
Hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo. Kasi sobrang baby brother niya ako, sobrang love na love ako ni Roger. And sobrang sweet niya na kapatid, kaya siya ganun. And very humble. Pero nung pinapanood ko siya ng season 1, alam ko talaga na hindi ko kayang yun. And simulat sa pool, kaya ako natuto magsayaw kasi utang ko naman sa kanya lahat na nalalaman ko. Siya nagturo sa akin. Growing up, si Roger na talaga yung magaling. Hanggang ngayon siya yung magaling. And tinuruan niya ako nung nalalaman niya. Tapos, ayun, in love na rin talaga ako sa pagsayaw. Hanggang sa nagsayaw na kami hanggang pagtanda. Pero hindi totoo yun. Siya yung champion para sa akin talaga. Ever since.
Last na lang kay Coach. Coach, anong sa tingin mong signature dance ni Albert?
Takip mo ka. Joke lang.
Yung talagang parang strength niya.
Ito na. Papunta ka doon.
Ano, Coach?
Yung ganun niya.
Talaga. So, kanya yon walang pwede.
Paano?
Yung may kasamang dila.
Develop natin, Coach. Malay mo naman mag-viral ulit.
Okay, thank you.